Okay guys, it's Brendan speaking. We've had a little malfunction. The recording didn't go as planned. As you can see, I've opened the packs. There's 6 packs that I've opened. Let's just quickly flick through what we received. We got a Don card, a Portuguese Ace card. On the green front we got Traffy, Kobe, Sanikan, Uta, another Sanikan, a Jinbei, a Frankie, a Nico Robin, a Gum Gum Snake Shot, and good old Gordon. So we'll just put them aside as we get through these. Scooper Gaban, the go all the way to the top card. Kazuki Odin, lovely, he's joined Gold D Rogers Pirate Crew there. Tom the Shipwright, Ora Jackson, guess we'll have another scrap. You can only risk death while you're still alive. Lovely motto. Amatsuki Toki, Shanks as a lad, another go all the way to the top, and Prometheus. I don't know why the big mama crew cards are all a little childishly drawn, but they're doing the business. Okay, you have Jewelry Bonnie, the one who is the most free is the Pirate King. Vegapunk, Shaka, another Vegapunk, Yo, paper art after image, Shaka, Pythagoras. It's actually pretty cool, that Pythagoras. Kuzuki, Gyogyo, Connie, and Gyogyo. So 3 of him in that set of 6. There we go. We have Terry Gilteo, Morgans, Saint Shepherd Jupiter, Hack. It's very weird how they've, in this set, they've put the Revolutionary Guard in with the Celestial Dragons. I find that quite amusing. Saint Munjos Guard, not sure how to pronounce that. York, Saint J. Garcia Saturn, Saint Shalria, Morgans, Saint Roswald, and Saint Shalmak. Okay, so Brilliant Punk, Marshall D. Teach, Phoenix Pineapple, Vista, Blenheim, Rakuyo. If I bowed down to power, what's the point in living? Curiel, Boa Marigold, and Little Oars Jr. Now, we're going to do the reds, but I'm going to put the main two at the bottom. Okay, we had Woodslap, Nefeltari Cobra, Emporio Avankov, Windmill of Village, Higuma, Gum Gum, Gatling Gun, Emporio Avankov. But Ace here said, you deserved it. Higuma, Nefeltari Vivi, Makino, Portuguese de Rouge, Gum Gum Gatling Gun, our Woodslap, and we got this Monkey D Garp, which I just love. It's such a good card. So cool looking. Genuinely enjoy it. As you can see, I put a sleeve on it just to protect it initially to see what I'm going to do with it, but as a card, love it. And I've got this other one here, which is Ace and Sabo and Luffy toasting, becoming brothers, which is chef's kiss. Love this card. This is a genuine, just really, really high quality, lovely card. Drinking their sake. Yep, fantastic. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see the actual packs being open and my reaction to those packs, but yeah, there we go. Anyway, bye.